sa tuna turana tu Labasa sa tuna dari ni mas tarum benua sa tio boleh sini matentu antara boleh tolong ni mulai sanetol untuk anu boleh boleh sa tuna boleh sini tolong dulu sa tio untuk in business seperti BTM Lidwano. To you, Mr. Ted, on behalf of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, on behalf of the government, I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you and appreciate your dedication and commitment to see that this project finally starts working. I know for a fact you are a native of this area. Businessman has not only progressed well in overseas, but you've chosen to come back and invest in the very same place that is your home. And to say that you are a rare gem, that you have establish yourself, and now coming back, you want to give something back to the people, to your community. And you've got in touch with the Vanua, and I believe this project has been hanging up there for some time due to some challenges and obstacles. And we are very grateful that time has come that we have now finally not only put words to practice, and we are very grateful at the Ministry of Health. And I thank the team here in the north, Commissioner Northern, Special Administrator, and our team, the Medical Superintendent, the Divisional Medical Officer Northern, and all our team that are here to witness and participate in this project. As the service provider, and we will take that challenge and we'll see how best we can accommodate the facility from construction right up to commissioning and providing equipment and staff to provide services here. I've mentioned in the that this is one of a kind, and it is a partnership that the ministry is looking into. We need more of this kind of partnership. And I'm not sure if you already have one, but to me this is my first. And hopefully with this one, we will take the learning and the challenges that we gain from here to try and replicate this in other divisions in future. With those few words, Mr. President, thank you.